Welcome back to my channel, WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw. And today is just another lovely day in February, and I needed to take advantage of it. And I feel like the Rat has gotten a lot of love lately, so I had to give the Road King a little bit of love for a change, because it told me it was getting a little bit lonely. So the first thing I did when I got to the garage was to finally adjust the suspension on this bike. If you didn't know, this one here and many other of the touring models from Harley has air ride suspension, which many are not a big fan of, and I'm one of those. And if you are one of those that have air ride suspension on your Road King, one, I suggest you get it changed. Two, if you want to know how to adjust it, if you can't afford changing it like me, then this is roughly how you do it.
So you need one of these little pumps here. You can get from Harley, which is Harley brand, but they're like 60 euro or something. Well, this one was like 30 euro, let's say. And there is a little valve under the left side saddlebag. You get in there and you have to pump it up, basically, just like a bicycle tire or a tire in general. You're supposed to be able to reach it without taking the saddlebag off, but I have this off-brand sissy bar on, which means that I don't reach it, so I'd have to take it off, which you can see here. Here you have it exposed. And there is a bar chart, so you can see how many bars you should put into your bike. I'll put it up on the screen now. And that's how many bars you should have compared to what you want. With this one here, you have a release here, so you can release if you put too much air in or something like this. So now I have just a few bars in. I can open it, and then it comes out and drops it back down. That's how you can adjust it. Yeah, and you should adjust it to the size you are, or size of who you want to have with, or the amount of luggage you want to have on. Mine is way too hard at the moment, so I have to adjust it.
I'm testing out a new angle because I got this new mount from GoPro here. I don't know if it will work, if it's too shaky or not. Don't know, I'll have to see. But how do you like it? I think it looks awesome from the test that I did. It gives you this perspective of you looking at me from in front of the bike, which is totally impossible. If you would ever drive with me, it wouldn't sit in front of my headlights, it would sit behind me. So, but I think it's a cool angle anyway. And I just want to test some angles because we're coming up on the summer season, which means riding. And I just want the videos to be even cooler and even better for you. That is my main goal. And if you are a subscriber to this channel already, you know that I haven't had this bike very long. I got it right before the winter really hit, so I haven't really ridden it that much. I've ridden it up to my friend in north of Germany and stuff, so I've gotten distances on it, but I haven't gotten to try it properly yet, like really get into it, under its skin or under its paint job, basically. And I want to do a review of this bike, obviously, but I think I need to put a little bit more miles on it before I give you a review, but I'm soon to be ready for that review, so stay tuned for that if you're interested in that, or if you're just interested in my other content, then do that, because like I said, summer's coming, which means road trips, and yeah, I love making road trip videos, and I know that you like my road trip videos as well, because many of you that are subscribed to my channel are here because of exactly that. The shit thing now, and what makes it hard to make motovlog videos, even though the weather is more compliant, is that I have nowhere to go because it's still lockdown here. There's nowhere to go. I can pick up a beer from the gas station and sit on my bike and drink it, I guess, but you know, at least I can ride around the town and enjoy my two-wheeled mayhem machines. So I adjusted the suspension on the bike. Now, is it how I want it to be? No. Is it better? Yeah. I think the only way I can get it to be any better than this is to change the suspension out in general. I'm just gonna eventually, somewhere along the down the road, I'm gonna put some old school spring suspension on there, because I got that on my Triumph, or the Rat, and it's just so much better. It's just so comfortable, while well, this is just a little bit of a pain in the ass. I mean, it is nice now and it does the job, but so the King needs a little bit of fuel. And so do I. Let's have a Corona just for the sake of it.
Cheers.
As I mentioned, the riding season is coming back slowly but surely, and man, I can't wait. I can't wait for days like this. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, jeez. That was actually quite nice. I thought it would be worse. Or even days like this. I can't wait to ride with my brothers. I can't wait to see new places and old places. I can't wait to just ride this bike. If you ride motorcycles, which I assume you do if you're on this channel, then you know what I'm talking about. Nice cheeky wee beer fueling up me and the King, and now the sun is going down, so it's time to head back in to town, or head back home so I can drink more beer. But before I head back home, I want to go to the garage and just talk about something real quick. And the thing I wanted to talk about is actually on the rat, and I'm not a person who's afraid to say that I was wrong. And I was wrong about the carburetor, even though this has all the classic adjustments that a carburetor will have: choke and idle adjustment screw, and it needs to heat up and everything. It is still a fuel ejection system hidden in the carburetor bodies, and that happened after the 2008 models. Now, I did know already that after 2008 they started to put electric fuel injection into the Triumph Americas, but that thing there is so convincing and looks so much like a classic carburetor that I just didn't believe it. But so many people have told me that now, and I had a guy explain it really well, why it's like that and why I was wrong, and yeah, I stand corrected. So I'm sorry about that. In my update video I did say it as carbureted, and that made it special. It is still a special motorcycle, but that's not a thing that makes it special. So on the 3-year update, no, on the 2-year update, I will probably get it right. So you gotta wait another year, and I will make another video explaining that it is fuel injected, not carburetor. Then I will get it right. I'll probably get something else wrong instead. That means I have 2 fuel injected motorcycles: the Triumph America, 2011 Triumph America, with a super convincing carburetor, even though it's not, and my beautiful Roll King that I was just driving in this video, fuel injected, not carburetor. But enough chat about that. Let's finally head home and drink some more beer. I wonder if there's anyone at home that wants to get drunk with me. Let's see. Someone want to get drunk with me?
Yay!
Nice. Hey, where are you guys going? I thought we were drinking together. Well, I guess I'll just drink on my own then. So anyway, thanks for watching another video here at WinterMotors. My name is Sean Winter, your friendly neighborhood outlaw, and until next time, bye bye.